It's a walk down the hall for 5-year-old Raven's weekly occupational therapy. And one of today's activities is using her left hand to make cookies.
Oh, that was a good smash with Lefty.
It all started after Raven's parents noticed weakness and a lack of mobility in her left side. So Raven was sent to a neurologist who ordered an MRI. The results? Shocking. A golf ball-sized tumor pressing on the right side of her brain.
And it was just like complete shock, like a deer in headlights. And I was just like, what?
Within 24 hours, Raven was undergoing brain surgery at Akron Children's Hospital.
I was very nervous and like not knowing what was going to happen.
Doctors removed the benign tumor, and the job was easier thanks to the use of an Exoscope. It's a high-def video telescope where doctors wear 3D glasses and look at large screens instead of looking through heavy magnifying glasses with a light on top.
And the beauty of that technology is that you are not then confined to standing or sitting in certain positions in the operating room for hours at a time.
Raven will continue to learn to regain strength on her left side and hopefully have fun while she's doing it.
Ta-da!
I'm Marty Salt reporting.